Namaste and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to dive into the vibrant and significant festival of Guru Purnima. So, get ready to learn all about this amazing celebration that takes place throughout India every year. First things first, Guru Purnima, or Vyasa Purnima as it's also known, is a day of observation and celebration. Now, let's talk about why this day holds such immense importance. You see, Guru Purnima is all about honoring and showing gratitude to our spiritual gurus, who are essentially our teachers and guides in life. It's a day when pupils express their reverence and appreciation for the knowledge imparted by these remarkable individuals, be it in the form of books or personal teachings. And guess what? Guru Purnima isn't limited to a specific religion. People from various faiths, including Hindus, Buddhists, and Jains, come together to observe this day. After all, gurus and teachers play a vital role in everyone's life, regardless of their religious beliefs. In the Hindu calendar, Guru Purnima is celebrated on the full moon day, Purnima, in the month of Ashadha. But in the Gregorian calendar, it usually falls between June and July. So, keep an eye out for that magical full moon. But why exactly do we celebrate Guru Purnima? Well, let me tell you an interesting story. The legend goes that Maharishi Ved Vyasa, the sage who wrote the epic Mahabharata, was born on this very day. Ved Vyasa's parents, Satyavati and sage Parashar, were blessed with his arrival, and this event is commemorated during Guru Purnima. Not only that, but Ved Vyasa is also credited with dividing the Vedas, the ancient scriptures, into 4 different texts: the Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Sama Veda, and Atharva Veda. His incredible contribution to knowledge and wisdom is why we observe Guru Purnima on this auspicious day. Now, let's explore the significance of Guru Purnima. The word Guru is derived from 2 Sanskrit terms, Gu meaning ignorance or darkness, and Ru meaning elimination or removal. So, a Guru is someone who dispels darkness and spreads the light of knowledge. However, the definition of a Guru has evolved over time. On Guru Purnima, we not only worship our spiritual gurus, but also show our appreciation to individuals who have taught and guided us, such as our parents, teachers, or anyone who shares their wisdom with others. It's a day to honor the divine qualities that these gurus embody. So, as you can see, Guru Purnima is a beautiful festival that unites people of different religions and backgrounds. It's a time to come together, pay homage, and celebrate the incredible influence of our gurus in shaping our lives. That's all for today's video, folks. We hope you enjoyed learning about Guru Purnima and its significance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Until next time, take care and have a blessed Guru Purnima.